Hello everyone, my name is Bilal Najjar and I would like to share with you my honest feedback about my experience with long hair, Dr. Ahmed. Quick disclaimer, I'm not getting paid nor compensated to do this video. I'm doing it so that everybody else who's planning on doing the same process as me would have maybe a video to help them make a right decision. I've started researching the implantation or transplantation for about a couple of months now, 2-3 months ago. And obviously in Turkey, it's a big market and it's a very competitive market. So I had to go through a lot of options to eventually make a decision of my own. And to be completely honest, the experience really didn't fail at all and didn't disappoint me at all. As a matter of fact, it was quite the opposite. My experience with Dr. Ahmed and the entire team has nothing short of wonderful. Obviously, I can only comment on the process that has been done so far, not necessarily about the results, but I have no doubt that the results are going to be fantastic because I've seen others who went through the process. In addition to that, the details that the doctor and the team go through in order to make sure everything is done properly. What I like about the system and about the process itself is that on the first day, when I met Dr. Ahmed, let me take a step back. Before I met Dr. Ahmed personally, I had the chance to talk to him over video conference. And this was one of the key selling points for me because many of the clinics, I don't want to say they didn't agree, but they weren't happy with the fact that I wanted to film it and I wanted to talk to the doctor prior. So the fact that they offered that to me made me trust them a lot because they have nothing to hide. That being said, I came here, I saw the doctor, he evaluated my donor area, and he told me that we have the option to do much more than we originally expected. With that, it was a long process. It was a little bit tiring, but again, that is a small price that we're willing to pay in order to get good results. So I want to make this short. I hope that everybody does their research. I've done mine and I chose Dr. Ahmed, and I think I would be happy to recommend him to everyone. Thank you.
Bye-bye everyone. Thank you.